Elena, do you have something caught on your foot? She seems to have something stuck on her little pajamas there. What is that, Elena? Are you stuck in the water pitcher? Is it dragging behind you? Huh, cutie patootie? Oh. Come here, Elena. Come here. Can you come over to Mama? How did you get that stuck on your foot, kiddo? Should Mommy get it off? Should I come get it off?